Ma, you can open page number 58, ma. Page number 58. Already we have started that one. That day we have completed some 3 examples, I think. 3 or 4 we have completed. Oh, yes. Check 4th one. This bath is freezing. The water is not warm enough. We have completed that one. Next one. We had to sleep on the floor as there were not enough beds. Not enough beds. Yes. Next one. There is dash to make a cup of tea. What is wrong with the pipes? So what can you write there? There is not enough water. There is ice. Next, 8th one. Vasavi is not old enough. Vasavi is not old enough. Write down old, old enough. To become a member of this club, she must be at least 18 years of age to join. Next page number 59. Page number 59. Mahendra, next slide. Is this coffee sweet enough for you? Is this coffee sweet enough? SWEET, sweet enough for you. Would you like some more sugar? Would you like some more sugar? Next one. Do you think he has studied hard enough? Hard, H-A-R-D, hard enough to pass the entrance exam. Hard enough to pass the entrance exam. Okay, next, see the second Roman. We generally use articles before common nouns. So articles, you know, definite articles and indefinite articles are there. What is definite article? The is definite article, and we have 2 indefinite articles, a and. So total 3 articles are there, a and the. Okay, a and these are indefinite articles, the is definite article. Okay, so here when we use a is used before a singular noun. A is used before a singular noun. If it is, the noun is singular, at that time a is used. Okay, and the noun, if it is started with consonant sound. If the noun is started with consonant sound, and if it is singular, a is used. So when we are using and before the nouns, and before the nouns, tell me, and is used before vowel sounds. If the noun is started with the vowel sound, before those nouns, an is used. An umbrella, an egg, an elephant, an eagle, an aeroplane, an apple. Okay, understood? This is clear. So if the noun is started with vowel, vowels are there, no ma? Vowels, but not vowels, vowel sound. Vowel sound should be there. Okay, if the noun is started with vowel sound, then before those nouns an is used. If the noun is started with consonant sound, then a is used before singular nouns. Is it clear? Is it clear, ma? Okay. Yes. So here if you observe, honest is there. Honest. H-O-N-E-S-T. So before that honest, we use an only. An honest person. We won't say a honest person. It is an honest person. What is the reason?
Vowel sound.
What is the reason, ma? Yeah, very good. Here, not consonant sound. We are not supposed to pronounce it as honest. Honest is wrong. It's honest. Honest. So honest means we are getting vowel sound. That's why we are using an honest. Okay. Yes, if you observe union, university, University is there. University, what is the university spelling? UNI. UNIVERSITY. Okay, fine. University is there. So, which letter? What is the starting letter, ma, in university?
An
What
university.
is an university? It's wrong. It's wrong. So, university, of course, it started with U only. Okay, here it started with U only, but here ya sound is there. Ya. Okay, consonant sound is there. University. Okay, so it is giving consonant sound. That's why before university we won't use an. A university, a union. So yes, and one more example I'll give. One, when you one is there. Okay, so when you one, the starting letter is O. O is a vowel, but it is giving consonant sound. While pronouncing one, we are getting wa sound. Is it clear? Yes. So, say for example, I saw a one-eyed beggar in the street. I saw a one-eyed beggar in the street. A one-eyed. We are telling not an one-eyed. A one-eyed beggar. So why a one-eyed means before that it is giving that even though the word is started with vowel, vowel is there. How many vowels are there in English alphabet? How many vowels are there, ma?
5, madam.
5 vowels. What are they? Very good.
A,
What are they?
I-O-U, madam. A-E-I-O-U.
Fine. A, E, I, O, U. But if these vowels, if they give vowel sound, if that sound is vowel sound, then only an is used. Okay. If it gives, even though if it is vowel, if it gives consonant sound, before that an is not used. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear, ma? Is. So if it gives vowel sound, then only we are going to use an. If it gives consonant sound, then a is used. That's why, say orange means orange, an orange. We are using an orange. But one-eyed means here orange also starts with O only. One also starts with O only. But before orange, we are using an orange. But before one, we are using a one-eyed. Understood? Okay. So see here, R, H-O-U-R is there. H-O-U-R. Okay. So before that R, what are you going to use? Yes. Maunika, good. A-E-I-O-U. Okay, fine. Yes. Before R, H-O-U-R, you are going to use A or an. Tell me. A or an? Which one? Before H-O-U-R. A-R, we are going to use an because here it is not pronounced as hover. It's not hover. It's R. Okay, an R. An R. Okay. He came an hour late. An hour. We are not supposed to pronounce it as hour. It's not hour. We are not going to say ha sound there. It is R, an hour. Okay. That's why an is used. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear? Okay. Sometimes, even though if consonant is there also, there if you are getting vowel sound, then an is used before that. Okay. So if you get vowel sound, and if you get consonant sound, A. If singular nouns are there. Then when we are going to use the means, if plurals are there, at that time we are going to use the, and even the plurals are plurals, and just if you are familiar with that, if you are familiar with those nouns, then the is used before that. Okay. So definite, if you are know about that one, at that time definite article is used before that noun. So particularly if you know. So if you are speaking about particular thing or particular person, okay, or particular, or just I can say whatever it may be, particular person, particular book. For example, is I brought a book. I brought a book. So here before book we use a, only a. The book which I brought yesterday is very interesting. The book which I brought yesterday is very interesting. So when second time when you are speaking about the same thing, so you are familiar with that thing. So when familiar things are there, at that time the article is used, definite article is used. Is it clear? Is it clear, ma'am? Now 4 points I said, 5 points I said. The first one, before vowel sound, we are going to use an. Before consonant sound, a is used. So if vowel is there, but it is pronouncing as consonant, then we will consider it as a consonant sound. Before that, a is used. Okay. If consonant is there, but if it is silent, and you are getting vowel sound means an is used. Okay. So here, totally we are depending on the sounds. Don't check the letter. Don't check the starting letter. Just you find out the sound. If vowel sound means an. If consonant sound means a. And the next point is the, when the is used means before the familiar things, before the familiar objects, we are going to use definite article called the. Is it clear? Is it clear, ma? Okay.
Ma'am.
Now here they have given some information, and sometimes we are not supposed to use any article. The article is not used. So when, now we are going to learn when we are not supposed to use the article, where we are not supposed to use the article. So without knowing, everywhere before the nouns, we will be using the articles. We will be using all the articles. So it is not correct. Sometimes we are not supposed to use the article. So now let us learn where we are not going to use the definite article the. Okay. He went out soon after breakfast to pay his insurance. So here they have underlined breakfast. Okay, you can observe they have underlined breakfast. Okay, let us see the second sentence. And when we had finished dinner, I thought I would take up a bit of something on a tray. Dinner is there, but don't talk. Huh? Who is that? Who is talking? So here, if you observe breakfast in first sentence and the second sentence, dinner is there. Before breakfast also there is no article, and before dinner also there is no article. Is it clear? So it's understood that before that meal we are not supposed to use the article. The definite article is not used before the dinner or breakfast or lunch, supper. We are not supposed to use the article. But if you are speaking about a particular dinner, if you are speaking about particular breakfast, at that time the can be used. Okay. Yes, let us go for dinner. We can say let us go for dinner. The dinner that day we ate. Yes. Yes, ma? Yes, Chandana?
Voice clear గా లేదు ma'am.
Voice is not clear. Now, ma? Is it okay?
Okay ma'am.
Okay, fine. So before dinner, breakfast, lunch, supper, we won't use article. The article is not used. But if you are speaking about a particular dinner, particular lunch, particular breakfast, at that time the can be used. Okay. So for example, let us go to dinner. Let us have dinner. Let us have our dinner. The dinner which you have provided on the day is very nice. The dinner which you have provided. See here, particularly you are speaking about a particular dinner or particular lunch. At that time, the is used before them. But in a regular sense, we are not supposed to use the before this dinner, lunch, breakfast. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear? Okay, now here they have given eyes. They have given few sentences and just a few places where we are not supposed to use the article. Let us say first one, before proper nouns. So we know that one, we know very well. Before names, we are not supposed to use the article. The is not used before proper nouns. Before your name is the Chandana, we won't say. The Mohita or the Mahita, we won't say. We won't say no. Before your name. Proper noun means your name. Particularly belong to that particular person. The is not used. But if the proper noun is used as common noun, at that time we can use the article. For that, I'll give one example. Is Rajesh is the Rajesh is the Balasubramanyam of our class. Rajesh is the Balasubramanyam of our class. So here Balasubramanyam is proper noun because it is the name of a person, name of a singer, Balasubramanyam, everyone knows. But here I am using the Balasubramanyam of our class. So why I use the Balasubramanyam? Rajesh is the Balasubramanyam means here Balasubramanyam, even though it is a proper noun, it is used as a common noun. Proper noun ayinappatiki dani manamu common noun ga use chestunnam. So if you use a proper noun as a common noun, at that time the is used before that proper noun. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear? Is.
Ma'am.
Okay, just you can say Dakshayani is the Lata Mangeshkar of our class. Okay, Dakshayani is the Lata Mangeshkar of our class. Actually, Dakshayani is also a very good singer, and Lata Mangeshkar, you know, okay, she is a well-known singer. So while comparing and just if you are telling, okay, if you are telling that Dakshayani is so and so person in our class, at that time just you are telling Dakshayani is the Lata Mangeshkar. The Lata Mangeshkar. Before Lata Mangeshkar, we are using the. Even though it is proper noun, when it is used as a common noun, we can use the before proper noun. Is it clear? Is it clear, ma?
Yes,
Aye,
ma'am.
Lisa. Now let us move to the next one. Before abstract nouns and material nouns. Before abstract nouns and material nouns. Already I explained you. So what is abstract noun? What is abstract noun? Which we can feel. We can't see or we can't touch that one. Just we can feel. So వేటినైతే మనము చూడలేము, వేటినైతే టచ్ చేయలేము, just we can feel. Those are called abstract nouns. Before those abstract nouns and material nouns, which are made up of some material, gold, silver, all these are materials. So before abstract nouns and material nouns, we are not supposed to use the అనేది మనం వీటి ముందర యూజ్ చేయము. So here in brackets I have given honesty, beauty, poverty, poetry, iron, gold, etc. All these are abstract nouns and material nouns. Gold and iron are material nouns. The remaining are abstract. So before abstract nouns and material nouns, we are not supposed to use the article. The anedi vaati mundara use cheyam. Next one, before the words man, woman, society, heaven, and hell. So man mundara gaani, woman, society, heaven, hell. Veeti mundara the article use cheyam. Man is mortal. Okay, man is mortal. We can say man is mortal. But we are not supposed to, the man is mortal is wrong. Man gani woman mundara the anedi use cheyadu. Okay, next one. Before the names of diseases, games and sports, seasons, days, months. Before the names of diseases. Diseases ante jabbulu untayi kada. Vaati mundara the use cheyakudu. We are not supposed to say the cholera, plague, the corona. We are not supposed to use. Okay. Before the diseases, we are not supposed to say the. And before games and sports, the cricket, the kabaddi, the coco, we are not supposed to say. Games and sports mundara kuda the use cheyakudu. Next, seasons. We won't say the winter, the summer. Okay. Yes, it is summer. We won't say it is the summer. The summer antama anam kada. It is the winter antama anam. So before summer, winter, or just I can say that before seasons, we are not supposed to use the. Next one, days. Days. What are days? How many days are there in a week? How many days are there in a week? How many days are there?
7 days.
7 days. What are they? What are they?
Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
Monday,
Thursday,
Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Saturday. Okay. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So here 7 days are there. Before these days also the is not used. Okay. I have class on Sunday. We are not supposed to say I have class on the Sunday. No. I have class on Sunday. He is coming on Monday. We are not supposed to say he is coming on the Monday. No. Before days we are not supposed to use. Next one, months. Months. How many months are there?
12
How
months.
many months? 12 months are there. Very good. Yes, very good. 12 months are there. Can any of you tell the spelling for January? January and February, 2 months. Spelling.
January.
February.
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 Very good, very good. Yes. Because so many members, they won't give proper spelling. Okay, they can't spell January and February. You are very good, really intelligent students. You are. That's why you know January, February spelling perfectly. Okay, fine. So before these January and February, before the names of the months also, we should not use the. The అనేది names, months names ముందర కూడా the use చేయకూడదు. Yes. He was born in January. He was born in January. Okay. He went to abroad in July. He went to abroad in July. So here we are not supposed to say he was born in the. He was born in the January. He was born in the July. We won't say no. It is improper. We won't use that. Okay. Before names of the month, the is not used. The అనేది month's name ముందర. Someone is disturbing. Someone is talking. Is that? Just mute, ma. It's disturbing the class. Some sounds are coming. Okay. So before names of the months also, we are not supposed to use the article. Fine. So here they have given, see, fever, cricket, summer, is April, etc. etc. Already I told you it is not etc. It is etc. etc. Okay. Before this, we are not supposed to use the article. Next, before the words church, jail, prison, school, college, market, hospital, office, university, temple, mosque, bank, home, and nursing home. Before these also, we are not supposed to use the article when they are said in primary use. Okay. So primary use will be there, secondary use will be there. What is primary use? For example, why will you come to school? Why will you come to school? Tell me. Why every day you go to school? Study, to learn something, to take education. So that is primary purpose. Okay. If you are going to, yes, why will you go to temple? Why will you go to temple?
Pray the God.
To pray God. Very good. To pray God. Why will you go to hospital? Hospital.
To check up our health.
Very good. Yes, very good. To check your health. Why will you go to bank? Bank.
To draw money.
To do money. Very good. To do the transactions. Okay, fine. So these are the primary purposes. Primary purposes means these only. Okay. Why those are there? Why bank is there? To do transactions. Why school is there? To give education. So if you go.
Ma'am, mute lo unnaru ma'am.
If you go to these places for primary purposes, yes, for primary, go to these places, at that time, just no need to use the. But if you go to secondary purposes, not for the primary purposes. For example, you went to school to meet your friend. Just you are going to school to meet your teacher. Already you have completed 10th standard. Okay. So after completing the 10th standard, again you are going to school to meet your favorite teacher. Okay. You are going to the school to meet your teacher. So here the is used. That is not primary purpose. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear, ma? For primary purposes, if you are going to these places, for example, someone has given appointment to you to meet in the temple because they thought that that is a holy place. Okay, your friend said, just you come to temple, there we can meet. Some landmark they have given. So you are going. That is not primary purpose. Just you are going there to meet your friend. Okay, that is not primary purpose. That is secondary purpose. So for primary purpose, if you are going to these places, at that time, the is not used. For secondary purpose, not for primary purpose. Secondary purpose, if you are going to these places, then the is used. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So already you said that we will go to hospital to do health check. Okay, to go for health check. Yes, not for health check. Just you want to visit, or just you want to meet a doctor. Just you want to visit another patient who is taking that just like as a treatment in the hospital. So your friend is there in the hospital, just you want to meet her, that's why you are going. At that time, I'm going to the hospital to visit my friend who is taking treatment. To the hospital we are taking. So for primary purpose means the is not used. For secondary purpose means we are using the. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us move to the next one. That is before plural nouns. So don't think that a and for singular, the is for plural. Don't think like that. Before plural nouns also, we are not supposed to use the, particularly if you are speaking about particular noun. If you are speaking about particular nouns, at that time the is used. See, boys are playing. Boys are playing in the ground. Okay, just see, that is particularly if you are speaking about the boys. See, the boys who are playing in the ground, the boys who are playing in the ground are very mischievous, are very mischievous. First time, boys are playing in the ground, boys are playing. So if you are particularly speaking about the boys who are playing in the ground, the boys who are playing in the ground are very mischievous. Okay, yes. The students who are listening to me are very interesting. The students who are listening to me, the students are very interesting, you can say. The students who are listening to me are very interesting. So now I am speaking about the students who are listening, particular. So I'm speaking about particular group of students. At that time, the is used. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now let us move to the next one. That is before the words referring to relations. Okay, the relations, father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, grandfather, grandmother. So all these are relations. Before relations, the is not used. We won't say the father, the mother. Okay, is the sister, the brother. You may get down. Then why they will call Gandhiji the father of nation? Okay, so he is not a original father. Okay, father, the father of nation is here the secondary purpose. Even here also. Okay, is just we can say the father of science, the father of science, the father of mathematics. Here the father is not used for the primary purpose. Okay, that meaning is totally different. That's why the is used before that father. Understood? Is it clear now? But in regular sense, when we are using the relation, names Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Marathi, Urdu, French, whatever it may be. Before the languages, we are not supposed to use the before languages. But sometimes see here, the French. Maybe you heard the word, the French. Okay, so then why they use a the before French means here French is not a language, but French is the people who belong to France. Okay, so if people belong to France at that time, we will use French. Before that French, the is used. Okay, if they are just, if they are representing the people who are living in that particular place, at that time the we can use the French. The Telugu people are, okay, the Telugu people, the English we can say. So here the English means people, not language. The is there means just easily we can understand the English. The French means people, not language. Only English means language. Is it clear now? Without the means languages. The plus that particular, either it is French or English is there means it's understood that that is people, not language. Okay, next one. In certain expressions are phrases. So before phrases are expressions, before phrases and expressions, we are not supposed to use the. See here, catch fire, send word, set sail, set food at home, in hand, in dead, by car, at night, on demand, on earth, on food, etc. So before these group of words also we won't use the. Okay, fine. Here next page, Mahendra. Next slide. Yes, you can see page number 60. Page number 60, you can check. Write the following paragraph, inserting a and the where needed. So you can insert the articles a and the. You can insert where it is needed. Just I read out and tell me, horse knows when he is going to race. So here you can write a horse. Write down in the textbook. A horse. A you can write a horse knows when he is going to the race. To the race. To the race. How does he know? His breakfast was scanty. His breakfast was scanty. What's the meaning of scanty? Scanty means less, very less. Okay, scanty means less. He is angry about that. He does not have a saddle. He does not have a saddle. A write down a. Before saddle, a. So saddle means already I told you that seat on the horse. That is called saddle. A saddle on his back. He is being led, not ridden, to the grandstand. To the grandstand. He is led under the grandstand. Under the grandstand. Write on the before grandstand the. Into an unusual. Into an unusual special stall. The horse is nervous. Before horse, write down the. The horse is nervous. Sometimes he does not know what to do when the starting gate, the starting gate flies open and track is before him. If he does not begin to run instantly, the other horses are already ahead of him during the race. When he sees another horse just ahead of him, he will try to pass him. Sometimes the jockey holds him back to save his energy for the last stretch. Eventually, the horse